Bleak is how I would describe the conditions right now. Today it's a little bit moist. A little bit of rain coming down in resort. It's the 8th of March and today's video report comes in not the usual sunny, snowy aspect that we like. It's a little bit rainy, but we're only at 1600 meters here. Courchevel does go up to 2800 meters. Somewhere up there it's snowing, which is definitely a good thing. And it's actually off and on through the day. It's been sort of snowing stroke raining in resort. So we're actually getting a bit of a top up. Sure, at the moment the slopes are a little bit slushy, you know, a little bit heavy on the lower slopes, but looking forward to the next few days, temperatures are set to drop. It's going to get colder, and so that slightly slushier water content in the snow and that new heavier snow will bond really nicely together, and it'll just stick to us having great skiing. So if you're coming out next week and you're watching this video report and you're thinking, oh my word, it's raining, what's all that about? Don't worry, it's going to get colder and that snow is going to bond together beautifully, making for fantastic skiing. And this week we've actually seen some really nice skiing in resort. Earlier in the week the sun came out, spring sprung, it arrived, and the first few days of this week were glorious sunshine, warm weather and fantastic skiing. And it's just been these last couple of days we've had that nasty foehn wind, which is the southerly airflow bringing desert air up from the Sahara, bringing with it lots of little grains of sand as well. Actually, it's at this time of year that you see little bits of brown in the snow, which is, interesting enough, particles from the desert, believe it or not. And that comes up and just gives us that blast of warm air which we've received in the last couple of days. But temperatures set to drop and the skiing will improve, which is jolly good news. Well, the start of March also brings with it one of my favourite little annual events, a great charity month for Huck Cancer. March begins and it is Mow March. Now most people might be quite familiar with Movember, but November is a terrible month for the ski industry because we're all in about 4 different countries. So we do Mow March and it's a month-long mustachioed extravaganza. So I've just started growing mine. Hang on, here you can go. There it is, thing of beauty. Bear in mind I've only had 8 days, so you know it's still got room to go. Now, because it's Mow March, Huck Cancer, there's lots of different events going on, so if you're coming over the next couple of weeks, please do get involved. Next Thursday we see a Courchevel Valley Rally, so you can come to Courchevel Morillond and come to the Bubble Bar or the Boot Lab, and from there you get given a whole bunch of clues, informations to lots of different checkpoints all throughout Courchevel. It's a great little event. You pay to enter and all that money goes to charity, and there's prizes and things like that. The following week sees a race day, dual GS, lots of excitement, lots of fun, barbecue. So there really is lots of exciting things going on, and if you're coming out you may notice that your barman or your chalet host or your boot fitter has a very dodgy moustache. Some are better than others. There may be some tins flying around. Pop in some sponsorship money. It's all going for that fantastic local charity, Huck Cancer. So the moustaches will be flowing. The sun will hopefully come back out. It's going to get a bit colder. The skiing is going to get back to being lovely, lovely, jubbly. And yeah, roll on the season. That's it for me for now. Catch you later.